Hey guys, if I look exhausted, I am. I've spent the last few days in contact with a trafficking victim that is in a very, 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 very bad situation. And doing everything we can on our part to help, but we have a problem. Most of you guys have never experienced what it's like to be hunted. Uh, to have someone target you with the intent of killing you. I have. Most of the people we rescue have. I know it's not something people want to accept. Most people want to think that, oh, this stuff doesn't happen and go about their merry day doing whatever. Especially people involved with the church for some reason that like to sit on their pew and just imagine that everything's hunky-dory. Or they're too self-important to care about what happens to people under them. Anyways, I digress. This woman's life is being threatened. I've almost got things set up where we will have a safe house secured and ready to go. I'll know about that today. But here's the rub. This is the problem. Her life depends on God and depends on us and what we do in the next 48 to 72 hours. I've notified most people as best I can, but we've only raised $110. To do this rescue properly, it's going to take anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000. So I'm asking for help. I mean, this will literally save a life. Literally. We're the only organizations willing to do it. We've done everything we can with the others trying to help, trying to get stuff organized. No one else is willing to step up, but we are. But I can't do that without some help. Now, I'm not sure how I can convince you or stress to you just how dire this situation is and how important this is. I don't know how to. Maybe that's not my job. Maybe that's God's job to do for you, not mine. So pray about it. Ask God what He would have you do. And I understand with the way the economy is and everything, there's a lot of us that just can't afford to give. I get it. I really do. So what I'm asking for, apart from y'all's help with finances, I am asking for my prayer warriors to step up to the plate. Because it's not your typical like gangster network or something like that that's been trafficking her. It's a coven. And they have been bombarding her and attacking her and trying to make her as psychotic as possible with everything that they're doing. She needs God's protection, and this coven needs to be put in check by God's prayer warriors. I'm asking you guys to join me in doing that. I've done several conversations with her now, each one lasting well over 3 hours, because she's that unstable. She is SRA. She is DID. Not only have I spoken with her, I've spoken with several of her alters. And they're all terrified. Every last one of them. Here's the thing. We have a safe house / decompression zone that hopefully after today will be ready to go, where she will be safe and she can stay at for 2 to 3 weeks. After that, we have 2 organizations waiting in the wings that specialize in satanic ritual abuse and dissociative identity disorder that are willing to take her and help her in a long-term program where she can recover and she can actually heal. I thought we were the only ones even trying to help with this stuff. I was blown away. I really was. But we can't do this without your help. Even if it's just sharing this video, we need support. Said so far, my posts on X and Facebook, I've raised $110. That's 10% of what we need on the low end. I mean, bare minimum, we need 1,000. Maximum, we need 2. I'm shooting for 2 because she's going to have needs and stuff that are going to have to be met. I don't think very many people understand the type of condition people like her are kept in. They're always kept emotionally overcharged, bordering on shock. Severely traumatized, poor diet, no food. There's always threats of the power being cut off or them being kicked out onto the street. These are constant threats that are done by the covens in order to manipulate them and control them and gain what they want out of the person. They're almost done with her. So we have to do this, and we have to do this fast. Very, very fast. And I need your help to do it. Seek God, okay? Pray to God, ask Him what He would have you do. Not what I would have you do, not what I would ask you to do. Ask God what He would have you to do. Ask Him to lead you. If He leads you in prayer, wonderful. If He leads you to donate, that's wonderful too. There's 2 places you can donate at if you feel led to. You can go to givesendgo.com/archangelministries91, or you can go to our website, www.archangelministries91. On our website, the one-time donation link is active. The monthly subscription ones I'm still working on. For some reason, they're not working properly. But the one-time donation ones are working. And like I said, there's always the option to give, send, go. I'll have both of them in the description below. Thanks for listening. I'm trusting God with this and leaving it in His hands. And I needed to update you guys on what's happening, what's going on. This is Archangel, signing out.